Happy Sunday morning, Forest night out in St. Louis. Just got back from an awesome Christmas party. Excited to be back in the weekend. I've actually been up sort of like since 3 o'clock this morning. Got a lot going on. Just came out of our dream weekend, as we call it, the launch, getting set up for 2022. Dropped some serious fire nugget bombs about our new trading education platform Slant app. So I'm going to share some stuff with you. If you've been following me, been watching this new vertical, this new product, this new service that my company's been offering, I absolutely love network marketing. But what I love even more is when the really smart people come up with an idea to help the not so smart people make a lot of money. I'm waving my hand in that. I'm pretty creative. I can figure stuff out, but sometimes it still takes me a little bit of time. And I love easy buttons. I love something that makes my life easier, right? Not that it doesn't take hard work to get stuff done, but I love hanging around smart people. I love listening to what smart people have to say. And I'm very coachable. When I want to learn something, I'm pointing my fingers at myself. When I want to learn something and make a decision to do it, I can jump all in and I get very involved in it, to say the least. I get a little bit obsessive about it, right? A little bit driven. And my goal, if you haven't talked to me, haven't heard me recently, my goal, and this just came out of nowhere. Sometimes if you hang around long enough, and you just keep moving forward, God's going to place the right people in your path at the right time. But here's the catch to that: is you have to do the work, right? I changed topics a little bit, but I wanted, because this was on my mind earlier. You can pray all day, right? God is not the magic wish fairy, right? He's the put your work where your mouth is God, right? He says if you ask God for something, he's not going to sit around and just have somebody walk up to your door and hand it to you. You need to work for it. Even if that work is picking up the phone and reaching out to people. Maybe you need your power bill turned on. Maybe you need some money. That he's not the magic fairy guy. God, you physically got to pick up the phone and say, I need some money to keep my power bill on. I need some money to keep my power bill on. You have got to do some work, right, to make that happen. You have got to ask and you shall receive. I think that's in the Bible somewhere, if I remember right. So let's come back to this. So anyway, so going along that path, I've been working. And one of my goals, one of my passions, you can tell I'm talking real fast because I'm excited about this, right? One of my passions and one of my current most recent missions is to help 1,200, yes, I said 1,200, 1,200 families right here in the St. Louis market earn a six-figure income. And that's not just the 101,000 six-figure income. It's the anywhere in that six-figure all the way up to 999,000 over the next 5 years. I don't know if that's you. I don't know if you're listening to this. Maybe you know somebody that might be, but I'm going to share some information with you that might be able to change that. You see that where I posted on my timeline. I think it's just underneath this video. Elon Musk asked a question: why are banks so quick to give a $100,000 student loan to an 18-year-old versus give them a $10,000 business loan? I put my opinion on that. We're not going to get into that, but here's the deal. What if you had a system or a tool or a process or a skill that you didn't have to worry about any of that? You didn't have to get a loan, right? You're an 18-year-old. What if you didn't have to get a loan to start your business? What if you could create your own money, right, to start your business with? So check this out. I'm going to share this with you. So for starters, for those of you that want to join me tonight in the Elevate class, we're going to sort of start off the launch. What we call Smart Cloud Training starts at 8 p.m. With Mr. John Spencer. The dude is a freaking genius. If you haven't met him yet, come and hang out with me. If you want to get started and get enrolled, there's a link scrolling right across the bottom of the screen. Here's itradefx.pro. You can go there and get enrolled. But I want to show you why you want to enroll. I want to entice you or bribe you or show you why you want to get enrolled. I'm going to do a screen share here and talk about this new app, this new Trade Assist app that we've got coming on. That's absolutely awesome. I'm going to throw up some disclaimers here. For those of you that haven't seen this yet, if you haven't seen what I'm talking about, man, I highly recommend you do your homework, do your due diligence, figure out what Forex is, learn about crypto. I'm a crypto skeptic. I'm still a little bit skeptic of it, but I'm still willing to learn about how the craft that I'm learning has, when I feel like I want to jump in the crypto market, that I can make money safely without like going in debt and freaking out and being all stressed out. So let me share my screen with you, and we'll talk about more about that later. There's no rush. It's not going anywhere. People say, oh, you should have got in when crypto was $8. Well, when you learn how to trade, doesn't matter what the price of crypto is. I'm just going to throw that out at you. So here's the Elevate platform. Basically, Elevate gives you ability to take control of your financial future and build your legacy for generations. But primarily, they teach financial literacy, educate you on Forex trading along with crypto and gold and oil and things like that, and they empower you to design your own life. It's absolutely awesome. It's an education platform. It is not an MLM. It is not a business opportunity. Now, I am in a business opportunity. I am a network marketing company who offers this product or service, right? For me, I get compensated for the monthly tuition of the student enrollment. However, a student can enroll completely into this platform, right, without any obligations to any network marketing business at all. It's a true standalone education platform that has absolutely no ties to any business opportunity unless you decide to come over to my side. Then there is, but that's not what we're talking about today. We're talking about the education platform, being able to educate anybody to learn how to trade. So this is the platform. Absolutely awesome. When you go to the iTrade FX.pro site down there, our director, Ben Wright, is doing a little blurb up the top. I'm right underneath doing a dashboard walkthrough. You can see that. But here, we just launched this yesterday, this app that's coming out. You definitely got to get in the class to get enrolled so you can take advantage of it. So this is Elevate. I'll go through this here really quickly, these slides. Let me pull up slideshow. So one, I just want to throw up here. Past performance is no guarantee of future results. We do not provide investment advice, and nor should this information be construed or used as investment, tax, or legal advice. Trading in itself is high risk. Trading in itself is high risk. Trading in itself is high risk. We accept no responsibility for any losses sustained. So the cool thing about it is once you learn how to get your mind right and figure out how to trade and learn how to trade it, especially hanging around the smart kids, what I just said will make sense, right? So the EX8 Trading Ideas app, which is going to be part of the education platform, is absolutely awesome. They talked about the ability to do that. It's coming up here very quickly. So basically what will happen is you'll start getting trade ideas. So as you plug into the education platform and you start learning and understanding, how to read a chart, what is an MT4? What is a trading view? What is Forex? What are the Forex markets? Am I trading the Japanese yen against the European dollar? Am I trading the Australian dollar against the Japanese yen? Am I trading the US dollar against the Canadian dollar? You're going to learn all that stuff, right? I probably said a lot of stuff that freaked you guys out, but you can learn how to trade and you can make money on the buy or sell side of that, which is very, very neat. It's very interesting. So you don't have to buy a stock or invest in something. You're actually, anyway, we'll come back to that. I get excited about it. It's so freaking cool. It's amazing. So basically, as you go through that, as you get immersed into the education platform, you'll be able to learn to watch the market behaviors and trends through the lens of the experts, because we have 13 trading experts that you get to learn from and educate yourself from and get experience with the skill. And the more you do it, the better you get, the more it makes sense. I've been doing this now for about 90 days and it's amazing. Like 90 days ago, I was like, huh? Today I'm a little less, huh? But it's cool. So you're gonna get trends, behavior and trends through the lens of experts. You'll get trade ideas. Now, this is where the app comes in. You're going to be able to get trade ideas and trade analysis anytime, anywhere. So these experts that are trading you in the education platform, so it almost gives you the ability to earn while you learn, which is neat. So you can get the ideas from what we call the smart kids or the experts, and they're going to share them, and then you get to decide whether or not you want to accept that. But the cool thing about this platform, the cool thing about Elevate is that you can use monopoly money to start to learn how to do this, so you don't risk any of your own funds playing in the market as you get. Duplicate. So this is where it comes in. Like I said, you can copy the smart kids. You get to duplicate the trade idea with a simple copy and paste, and simply means the experts, you have the app in your hand, you're going through the training, they'll send out the trade ideas. You can look at the trade ideas based on what you've learned. You can say yay or nay, right? And the cool thing about it is from what I understand, Like I said, again, the disclaimer up front, you've got to make the decision to pull the trigger, because not every trader wins every single time. Not all the experts win every single time, but they win a lot more than I'm going to win because they've been doing it a lot longer. And of course, they're experts and I'm not. So I'm definitely going to take a look and look at the analysis and look at the charts and see what I can figure out. And I've lost some. I did this last week. I missed what we call a stop loss by literally, like, I don't know if you can see it, like this much on a chart. I was like, damn it. And then when I went back and reviewed it and I looked at it and I blew my screen up a little bit and went back and looked, they say, look at the past to look at what you're doing now. I literally just had to move it up just a little bit more to match what we call the cloud. And I would have stayed in that trade and it wouldn't have been a loss. It would have been a really big win. So you win some, you lose some, but more priority. You want to win more than you lose, which is awesome. And I'm going to show this to you here in just a second. So you can duplicate that. Oh, I just said that. You get to duplicate the trade ideas with a simple copy and paste feature in the app, which is pretty neat. So this is the Elevate app. This is called Accelerate, your virtual trade assistant. You get expert AI Forex trading analysis and trade ideas with the EX8 app. You get you can check analysis, you can click agree, you can add the trade idea, and you must have an Elevate subscription to do that. So to get this app, right, you can't just go download the app and buy it and use it on your own. You have to enroll in the education platform. That's where the true value of this comes in. So you're not just jumping into something you have no clue as to what's going on. Now, our team, we actually have a Tuesday morning training that we do every morning at 8 o'clock, where we get everybody in sort of a trading group. Tuesday morning, 8 o'clock, 8 a.m. Central Standard Time. Then this Tuesday coming evening, Mr. John Spencer, the guy's talking about, he's going to be doing a special training at 9 o'clock. If you get enrolled between now and then, you can jump in on his training. You definitely want to do that for sure. But the more important thing is you'll have this Trade Assist app as part of being a student to get enrolled. And I want to show you some of my personal results over here just this last week. Right now, the market's closed. It closed on Friday at 5 o'clock. It's going to open back up this evening about 5 o'clock and go in and trade. And that's a whole nother, I'm not going to train you on that kind of stuff. But here's my results from a couple of days last week. And you can see there's some different ones in here. And again, this is what we call the euro pound here. I'm sorry, the Australian dollar. I made $8.61 here on this trade. This is the Dow Jones 30. I did this in about 57 seconds. Might have been 27 seconds. $54.80, that quick. Then I jumped in again and did another $32. So basically, I did all of this trade in just a few minutes and made $86. I don't know where on the planet that you can get an average profit of $86.71 in about I think it was like 6 minutes, give or take, not including this one up here, which was really, really fast, which is cool. Going down here next, you can see this is over. This is a one-day setup here. I did the pound versus the New Zealand dollar, $215 in profit on that one. I did the Dow Jones 30, $20 on that one. Again, really, really fast. I think I was in and out of that trade in just like 30 seconds. The same thing on this one here. I was in and out of this one. This one was a little bit longer. It was about a minute, and I did $97.53 overall in one day. I'm not working very hard. Again, I just turned this on. I'm not sitting in front of my computer doing this all day. This literally happened like boom without me doing a lot of work. And they teach you how to set up alerts and do all that kind of stuff, which is really, really neat. So again, my activity doesn't equal your results, right? You may be smarter than me. You may get better results. You may not get it at all, and you may just be horrible at this. So again, I want to throw in the income disclaimer. Not everybody. And then this is another one that I did. It's funny. I'm sort of on the $86 kick because they got $86 on this day. And then again here, another $86.70. And I didn't take too long to do that. It looks like 46 to 52. So about 6 minutes on that trade as well. Very, very neat. If you would like to get started, if you'd like to get enrolled as a student, if you go to the link that's scrolling across the bottom of the screen here, I'll get you hooked up with a link, or you can just message me. I'll get you a link so you can get enrolled, and you get enrolled in the Elevate Trading platform. Again, my goal is to help 1,200 families become six-figure, and I'll say six-figure residual income earners. And if you're not sure what a residual income is, it's something that you do once that you get paid for over and over and over and over again. 1,200 families in the next 5 years just in the St. Louis market alone. And that's all I'm working on. Everything else that happens beyond that is I'm just going to leave that one up to God and let him take the people that I impact and let them impact people elsewhere. So if you'd like to get into this trading platform, you can call me. My number is 314-498-7688. Text me first and tell me who you are so we can set up a time to chat. I'll walk you through the back end. If you'd like to just see the back end, just go to this website right here, itradefx.pro. Watch the video at the top, Mr. Ben Wright, and the video right underneath, it's me walking you through the dashboard. I think there should be a link on there somewhere that says get enrolled. It's going to take you to a page similar to the one I just showed you. Get enrolled on that, get set up for the classes, make sure you get started. And when you do get enrolled, make sure you reach out to me and let me know that's something you did. And I'll walk you through your back end to make sure you know where the basic classes are, where the intermediate classes are, how to get in and navigate all the little tabs in there so you can get the most out of the education platform for sure. Again, I love you. I appreciate you. Hopefully you have a great weekend. If you're planning on getting yourself a really cool Christmas gift, this might be it, right? This could literally change the legacy of your family. This could probably be one of the best gifts that you could get for your family, for your kids, for everybody around you, is learning the skill of trading and learning how to use your money to make money, which is absolutely awesome. I love you. I appreciate you. Jesus loves you. Absolutely nothing to do about it. You can tell I'm a little bit excited about this as I truly believe in this. Again, have an absolutely wonderful day. I will see you tomorrow. Thank you. Bye-bye.